to a journey through modern elegance and architectural brilliance. Today, we're unveiling a masterpiece, a bold black house that redefines luxury with its sleek designs and black academia-inspired details. From striking exteriors to cozy interiors, this video showcases how contemporary architecture meets timeless sophistication. First, let's take a closer look at the architectural marvel itself. With its minimalist angles, expansive glass panels, and seamless integration into its natural surroundings, this home is not just a building, it's an art form. Watch as the sun reflects off its matte black exterior and the rooftop gardens blend into the greenery below. Ready to dive into its stunning details? Let's begin. The living room is where sophistication meets comfort, and this space delivers it all. Picture deep black walls framing plush velvet furniture, accented with antique bookshelves and golden touches. The room feels alive with natural light streaming through towering windows, illuminating every thoughtful detail. From a softly glowing fireplace to the cozy throw blankets, it's the perfect setting for relaxing evenings or intimate gatherings. What's more, the contrast of dark tones with soft, warm lighting creates a visual harmony that's impossible to resist. Get ready to feel at home in this luxurious haven. The kitchen is more than just a place to cook. It's the heart of the home, and this one beats with style. Imagine sleek black cabinetry paired with golden accents and a marble island that doubles as a centerpiece. Open shelving displays vintage crockery, while pendant lights cast a warm glow over the entire space. Whether you're prepping a quick meal or hosting a dinner party, this kitchen makes every moment feel special. The textures, from glossy backsplashes to polished countertops, bring depth and elegance to the design. Ready to turn your culinary dreams into reality? Let's explore. The bedroom is where you retreat, recharge, and rediscover comfort, and this space promises just that. Velvet headboards, layered bedding, and soft ambient lighting create an atmosphere of relaxation and luxury. Dark walls frame the room, making every texture and color pop, while floor-to-ceiling windows invite soft, natural light. A reading nook tucked into the corner offers a perfect escape with a good book, and the overall vibe is both cozy and chic. Whether you're dreaming big or just catching some Z's, this bedroom is the definition of comfort meets sophistication. Sweet dreams await. Step into a sanctuary of elegance and tranquility, the bathroom. This space is a stunning combination of matte black finishes, golden faucets, and freestanding tubs that invite you to unwind. A walk-in rain shower with glossy tiles adds a modern touch, while ambient lighting sets the perfect mood. The thoughtful details, from the geometric tile patterns to the polished vanity, make every moment here feel like a luxury spa experience. Even the small accents, like scented candles and lush towels, add to the inviting atmosphere. Ready to refresh and recharge? Let's dive in. The dining area is where meals turn into memories, and this one elevates the experience. Picture a sleek black table set with golden cutlery, surrounded by velvet chairs that invite you to stay a little longer. A grand chandelier casts a warm glow, while the backdrop of intricate wallpaper and art adds an air of sophistication. The mix of textures, soft cushions, polished wood, and shimmering metallics creates a space that's both dramatic and inviting. Whether it's a casual breakfast or a formal dinner, this dining room is the perfect setting. Hungry for more? Let's take a closer look. The outdoors isn't just an afterthought here, it's a continuation of the home's elegance. Picture a sleek black pergola framing a cozy seating area, complete with soft cushions and a glowing fire pit. String lights twinkle overhead, adding a magical touch as the sun sets. From the infinity pool that reflects the sky to the manicured gardens that sway gently in the breeze, Every detail is designed to evoke peace and luxury. It's the perfect place for quiet mornings with coffee or evening gatherings under the stars. Ready to step outside? Let's explore this serene retreat.